Hello, Yulia and Dmitry here.
Hello everyone!
Today we're going to unbox and share our first impressions on Amber Absolutely fragrance by an artisanal fragrance house, Fort and Manle.
Presentation is very lovely. It comes like this. Very beautiful. Beautiful box. Let's unbox this beauty. Oh, it's like this. What we'll see inside? Oh, very nice. Some kind of protection. Oh man, such a lovely bottle. Wow, very beautiful. Amber Absolutely Extrait de Parfum. I love this metal shield here, like a bronze color. Very beautiful cap. It says Versailles Fort on the cap.
That's the name of the perfumer.
Versailles Fort. Versailles Fort. Wow. Actually, it's very heavy. Beautiful. Oh, it already smells from here.
Wow.
Let's spray it. Very beautiful presentation, yeah?
It looks so gorgeous, so nice. Unique as well.
Very unique, yeah.
This metal plate is like...
Perfumer's name is Versailles Fort. He's from Australia. He's a self-taught perfumer. I think he's one of the greatest artisanal perfumers nowadays. We'll show you the sprayer. Oh, sprayer is very good. Actually, it was not a blind buy. At first, I bought this Discovery set from Fort and Manle. It has all the perfumes inside. It costs 50 euros, and there are 10 perfumes inside. Very good presentation. Yeah, very nice. They smell very artisanal, very unusual. Oh wow! Amber Absolutely, I believe I loved the most of them all. It was my number one, tied with Charlatan. I love Charlatan also.
Charlatan is nice.
Charlatan is very nice. I'll show you the name. Fort and Manle Charlatan. Very good composition.
I really loved Garden Gnome here, yes?
Confessions of a Garden Gnome.
Confessions of a Garden Gnome. This was my personal favorite.
I think it's the best perfume name in his line. And I also love very much Boshnikov's Purple Hat. These are top three for me. The fourth one was 40 Thieves.
these perfumes actually, you can see that this kind of perfumery is a bit different. The perfumer sees his own way, and
Yeah, they are very, very unique. Definitely very high quality ingredients. You can smell it. Blended very nicely.
there is a
Nothing chemical. It smells very, very natural. I believe these perfumes have a lot of natural ingredients.
yes. I would say that all of this discovery set is a unique experience. It's worth a try, and the perfumes are really nice and unique. The only downside for me here is the longevity of the fragrances. And
Yeah, I agree. They all smell amazing, but half of them have not very good longevity. But this one, Amber Absolutely, is really long lasting. It lasts over 10 hours, maybe 12. And another one was Charlatan. It's also very long lasting and projects also very well.
let's talk about Amber.
And the smell also is very beautiful. So, Amber Absolutely. Very,
So there's plum here.
very unusual smelling, but very beautiful.
Give this
Juicy,
juicy.
very juicy opening.
The plum gives it a sweet and sour taste.
Yeah, in the beginning, in the opening, there is definitely a plum. I can smell some kind of blackcurrant. There is also blackcurrant, but the plum is dominant.
To me, I get this feeling of a candy, you know, like this juicy, fruity candy. Like
Yeah,
the sugar, fried
Yeah, I get
sugar,
what you mean.
like, you know?
it's very ambery. From the name, you can get it's an amber scent, amber dominant scent, and it really is. It's sweet. It has a lot of honey, labdanum. I smell a rose in it, definitely a rose. Something resinous, as I believe it has benzoin, very beautiful. Overall, it's a wonderful amber scent. I believe it's one of the best amber scents, period, of all time. Smells amazing. Very exotic, like, yeah.
Yes, it's something that I've never smelled before.
Yeah, it's
Yes,
very
this,
unique, very unique.
It's a very comforting smell. To me, it brings me back to my childhood, you know?
Yeah, it's something like you have
Smelled before.
smelled a lot of times before, but you can't tell what it is.
This is a really interesting experience.
It gives a lot of peace, yeah. When I smell it, I feel like I'm in home. The notes are plum, blackcurrant, rose. In the heart, it has rose. Base notes are prominently amber, benzoin, labdanum, vetiver, musk, and cedar. Also, it has a beautiful note of honey. But I don't care about the notes. The smell is absolutely divine.
Yes, to me, the best way I could describe I already did is the fried sugar with fruit, with plum. It's juicy and it's sweet.
Very delicious.
Delicious, absolutely.
It's
really
some
nice.
kind of a little bit gourmand, but not gourmand at the same time, you know?
You know, I almost get a boozy note here. I know that there's no booze, but
Yes,
I get this vibe.
Some boozy vibe I can get also.
Well, when you put a lot of sugar in fruit.
Stunning. And I love the bottle so much. Absolutely wonderful.
Yes, I love the presentation. The bottle is absolutely gorgeous.
Please read what he's written here. A little message for us.
When I was drowning, she became my air. In the cold, she became my warmth. In the dark, she became my light. Wow. So it's a lifesaver, this one. It's with you, it's going to comfort you.
Yeah, it's very comforting.
It's a very positive smell.
Nothing annoying in it. It's very, very smooth, very refined. Actually, I don't know how a self-taught perfumer can do something beautiful and very rich smelling like this composition. It's mind-blowing. One of the best artisanal perfumes that I have ever smelled. Absolutely,
Yes.
it's majestic, yeah?
Yes, this is really nice. Of course, we have to wear it a bit more to make a full review, not only the first impressions. So later we'll do a full review on this perfume when we know more about this. But for now, first impressions are amazing. I'm loving it.
I can't see anything through it. It's absolutely black, totally black. Actually, it's one of my favorite perfume bottles of all time.
Yes, I'm loving it. Mischievous. Nice.
Well, I will tell you, I have tried this from the sample a couple of maybe five times, and the more it develops, the more I love it. After a couple of hours, it becomes something like a heaven sent for me.
This is really my first impression. I haven't tried this on my skin, I think. I've tried this on you, smelled it on you before, and this is the first time I'm wearing it on myself. And so far, I'm loving it.
I love everything about this perfume bottle, how it smells, how it develops. It's not linear at all. It's one of the most beautiful, one of the most natural smelling exotic amber scents of all time. It's long lasting, it's projecting, it's everything I wanted in perfumery. I love it.
Yes, I'm loving it also.
I will give it a 10 out of 10. Absolutely, definitely.
I still have to find out what's the projection like, but Mitra says that it's amazing here.
It's not a beast, but it's from this line. I believe that it's this one and Charlatan projects the most, and they both are the most long-lasting. I think this one is the most long-lasting of them all.
Mm-hmm. So I'm also really enjoying this perfume. For now, my mind is blown, and I'm really happy with this perfume. It's really nice. And
I don't know, we said or not, this is a brand from Australia.
Yes, you did say that. Self-taught perfumer. So yes, this is great. We're loving it. And
the next one which I would buy would be definitely Charlatan. It's there is amazing note of jasmine. I love it so much.
yeah, Charlatan is really nice. Okay, I think someday we'll do a review on this set. We'll
Yeah,
try them
definitely,
all,
definitely.
and we'll show you everything and share our impressions on all of the fragrances that are here in this discovery set. But today, in regards to our first impressions on Amber Absolutely, I think we're done here.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and leave a comment if you like. Thank you and goodbye.
Thank you. Bye.